Hello guys, welcome to my channel T-Tech. Today we will see how to set MIUI 12's super wallpaper in any Android phone. So here is my Android phone. I am using Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, which has got MIUI 11 version. So as you can see, I have got two planets in my app's wallpaper. So I will show you the Earth's wallpaper. Okay, here it is. So I have to select a location from these three. So I have applied it. So as you can see, there are two planets, Earth as well as Mars. Okay, so let's take a look at the Earth version. So as you can see, my wallpaper has been set to the Earth. So it's look so gorgeous and it looks so awesome. So every phone should have it. So I am using Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, as I told you. So it looks very awesome, and it will look more awesome in more refresh heart rate displays. So what you have to do is click on the link below. This will be the link in the description. Just click on it. So when you will click on it, you will get a page like this. Okay, so what you have to do is scroll down and search for MI wallpapers. So as you can see, this is MI wallpapers, and click on download. So as you can see, it is about 70 MB file. I have already downloaded it and installed it. So after downloading, please install it. Okay, so scroll down again. At the last, you can see MI super wallpapers. Here you can see download Mars and download Earth. So I will click on download Mars. I have also downloaded it and installed it, and once more download Earth. So I have also installed the Earth version also. So what you have to do next is, after installing all these three apps, okay, after you have installed all these three apps, go to Play Store and search for Quick Shortcut Maker. Okay, as you can see, I have also installed it earlier. So this is the Quick Shortcut Maker app. So I will open it from here. Okay, as you can see, what you have to do is search for wallpaper. Okay, after searching, you can see many wallpapers here. So what you have to do is click on the blue color wallpaper and scroll down. There you can see an option called super wallpapers. Click on that and click on try. So as you can see, there are two planets available here. One is the home planet, which is Earth, and other is Mars. Okay, so click on select location and click on the apply button. If you click on apply button, you can see it is applied. Here you can see it is applied. Okay, the zoom effect is just awesome. I think every phone should have it. It looks more gorgeous in more display of higher refresh rate. So as you can see, it's fully live wallpaper here, but it will consume more battery power. So I request you to turn on the data saver, otherwise the battery will just turn off. Okay, here as you can see, I am testing it for you. Now we can set Earth. So click on select location and select a different location. I will choose this one and click on apply. So as you can see, you can get a message downside, applied successfully. So here as you can see, my display wallpaper has been changed. This is MIUI 12's official app, and you will also get updates on it. So when I open the screen, means unlock the screen, you can see it. Okay, if you want, you can select different locations. So here are three locations available here. Okay, so as you can see, my wallpapers have been updated. When I unlock the screen, it goes to down where we have selected the location, and it looks really awesome. So you should try this, and if you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment your questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my video, and do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos, and like the video if it works. Thank you.